welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane, kama kawaida, and if you are a new member, please subscribe and you are welcome, and like, comment and share. And today naona niko na kofia, as you can see. My kofia si mkurino, ni vile sasa nimewaletea mgeni leo. Today I have a visitor, a very good friend of mine. Amekuja kutuonyesha how to cook something special, sijui ni gani, and it's early in the morning, so I've decided today I want to cook. I want someone to help me cook. So he's already here. Ni nywele anatengeneza enda anavaa kofia, so unajua tu wanaume na nywele. So guys, please subscribe. Don't only watch, subscribe please, like, comment and share, and also hit that notification bell. I want you to see every single video I upload. So guys, welcome. I love you guys. We'll see each other at the end of the video.
Hi guys. Same question that you're asking yourself is the same question that I'm asking myself. Is this the guest? Yes, I'm the guest. My name is Peter and I'm here to show you how to cook a very nice breakfast. Tuachane stories are bread, chapatis in the morning. Chapati kwanza sana inaitangwa ni ya lunch ama dinner, those two. And before we continue, big shout out to Jean. Thank you. I'm so privileged to be in this kitchen. This is my first time there to be in your kitchen. Hey, thank God. Thanks to God. Glory to God. Sometimes kizungu ni ngumu, but we will flow with it the way it is. If it's not ours, siki mdomo chetu, as our people say there in Western. Kofia nimepewa ndio hii, inakaa ya baba. The kofia is looking for like, it's looking like Raila's Prime Minister. But anyway, we shall cook, whether or not. Jokes aside. So my ingredients are. So guys, I have 2 eggs, 1 banana, as you can see. I'm going to use these 2 ingredients. You first start by breaking your eggs and putting them into this bowl, this one. You crack them like that, one by one, no hurry. Then you whisk. After that, using a fork, you whisk and whisk and whisk until it is thick. I still have my banana. I'll show you what I will do with that banana next. Whisk it good. Yeah, it's like this. See how thick it is? Yeah, it should be like this now. My banana. I peel my banana and I chop them into small pieces like that. 1 banana has to go with those 2 eggs because banana is so sweet. After chopping, next transfer these bananas into a blender, just like this. Mfano wazungu na wengine. You're Africans. In Africa is our business. Do like this. Fully done. The egg yenye nimewhisk, now we add here. We should blend this. This must be blended. Omothe today. As the Kikuyu say, omothe ne omothe. Little water. Guys, hiyo small water ilikuwa ya kutoa hiyo mayai baki kwa bowl. Kidogo tu, si sana. No, but ni sana. Anyway. It's fully blended, so I transfer the mixture into my bowl, a bowl like that. so that we can get ready to start frying them. Ni kufry, tunataka kufry hizi vitu. We call them pan egg kama hiyo. Now we start by frying. We add butter kwa pan yetu yenye imekuwa already heated like 2 seconds, and we smear around with a brush, inaitwa butter brush, kitu kama hiyo, so that we can get ready to fry our pan eggs, kitu kama hiyo. I don't know what to call them. Mashosh call them pan eggs. So when I make this, I usually use a small teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, especially if you have kids at home. You ask squeeze watoto now, they eat, which is good. I remember when my grandma used to do this. My grandma was very lambastic, whatever that means. I don't know. This recipe is from my grandmother. You guys will love it. Yes. Check and turn. It's turning golden brown, and we already in this room we can smell the sweet aroma coming from the bananas burning or cooking or frying, whatever you can call it. I should try this. Salo umeboeka sana. Salo umeboeka. Yes, done. It should be like this. You see? Nice golden. Turn. Yes, guys, you don't know what you're missing. This one.
Wow.
Very nice.
Wow.
One. It's done. So sweet. Guys, the results. Let's now taste. Nione kama nimetupa mbao. Actually, it's so good. It goes well with bananas. Jay, Robapi, come and try this.
So guys, before I taste, this guy here is so funny. Yani, nimecheka on set yangu yote. Hata sijui niseme aje. But I've really enjoyed. Amepika vitu poa. As you can see, ziko smart. Yeah, si mbaya. Amejaribu. Let's taste it. Let's taste. Tusikie tuone kama ameweza ama ni kutupa, ni kute. Wow, it is so sweet. Yani ina taste snack. So please guys, subscribe and please ebu jaribu this recipe. Ina taste mwa. Please try it and tell me, comment down below utasikia. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and please also hit that notification bell to see everything that I post, everything that I bring up. It for today. So guys, we'll meet again in the next video, and please tell me what you'd like me to cook next, and kindly tell me if you want him to come back again for the next cook. Thank you.